Hey everyone, this is the instruction video to go with the IB Chemistry Remote Learning Packet for summer school. When you pick up your packet, the first thing that you're going to see is this page, and this is your information page. If you have questions, there's the website to go to. If you have trouble with your Chromebook, go to TechSpot and put in a help ticket. When you return your work, make sure that you've got your name and your ID and all that stuff filled in, those spaces up here, and make sure that you turn it into the 9th grade center no later than 4 p.m. on Wednesday, June 24th. If you turn it in late, you may not get credit. So the way I've designed this summer school packet is around the 3 chapters that we did while we were in remote learning. So it's topic 8, acids and bases, topic 9, oxidation reduction, and topic 10, organic chemistry. For each section, I want you to do the following. First, go through the slideshow. I've provided the slideshow that's appropriate for the work that follows. So go through the slideshow, make sure you understand everything that's on the slides. If you don't, go to radiochemistry. You know where to find it. If you can't find the link in Schoology, just go to YouTube, type in radiochemistry topic 8, and it will give you a list of everything that's relevant to this chapter. Watch that video. If you're still not understanding, go to Khan Academy. If you're still not understanding or you just prefer to talk to me, email me and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. Once you're confident with the chapter, then you're going to go to the first assignment, which is theories of acids and bases. In this case, we're going to be talking about what is a Bronsted-Lowry acid, what is a Bronsted-Lowry base, ask you to look at the acid, the base, and then identify the conjugate acid, the conjugate base, and so on. Once you finish that, you're going to go to properties of acids and bases. And once again, look the videos over, go to the Khan Academy, get everything that you can to understand the slideshow. Contact me if you need. And then the reactions of acids and bases worksheet. This one's really important. You need to be able to complete them and balance them. So for example, for number 1, you need to be able to recognize what the reactants are going to be and then balance them. This is going to come by recognizing what type of reaction this is. So notice that it's a metal and an acid, and then you're going to look back on the notes and find out what the reactants are. The next chapter, Redox, same thing. Look at the slideshow, go to the videos, ask me questions, and then I'm going to ask you to balance those redox equations. So you're going to have to identify which is the substance being oxidized, which one's being reduced, and then it will progress from there. The second assignment for this unit is going to be the review, because remember this was a very small unit in terms of notes. So you're going to need to be able to recognize the oxidizer, recognize the reducer, explain what happens during chemical reactions in terms of oxidation and reduction. The last chapter is organic chemistry, and you'll start with the basics. This is alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. And then the worksheet that follows, I'm going to ask you to draw and name the different structures. The last slideshow is the functional groups alcohols, aldehydes, and ketones. I've chosen those because they represent all of the different processes that you'll need in order to identify the molecule and to be able to either name it or draw it. If you can do that with these basic functional groups, then you can do it with all of the others. And then again, a practice worksheet. In this one, again, you're going to classify them and draw them and or name them. And once again, packet at the front, the page, tells you everything that you need to do. Please make sure that you turn it in on time. And if you have any problems or any questions, give me a call.